In today's episode, we have 4 amazing guests, each with their own speciality within the food industry. First up, we have JANA Cameron. She is the president of the Food Industries Association of Queensland. She has held this honorary position for the past 7 years, and in her day job, she runs a recruitment business that specializes in the recruitment for food manufacturing called Path for Food. Next up from Earlee Products, we have REID, TRISH LINDEMAN, and Juju Chen. Leah, with over 25 years of experience in the food industry, is a senior development technologist at Earlee Products. Trish is the R&D manager and comes with over 30 years of industry experience and knowledge. And last but not least, we have Juju, who is the food technologist, having just entered the industry a few years ago and absolutely loving it. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Welcome to Inspiring Design.
All right, here we are. Finally, we got this underway and we're here in an amazing factory and we're about to talk about the food industry. But can we start off with a little bit of background about each of yourselves? What's your story?
Okay, excellent. So my name is JANA Cameron. I'm the president of the Food Industries Association of Queensland. Now, I have been in the role for over 7 years. It's an honorary position. So in my day job, I'm actually in recruitment and it's in the food industry. So I've been doing this or somehow connected into the food industry for over 20 years. And it's been through recruitment or various honorary positions sitting on different associations, food technology and food science associations and food industries, Queensland now. As part of my role as a president, I get involved in a lot of government groups working on funding, especially for skill shortages and that sort of stuff. So I think that's going to be really interesting for the listeners to hear about. So, but enough about me because I'm pretty boring. I think the ladies, can take the glamour.
My name is TRISH LINDEMAN. I'm the R&D manager here at Earlee Products. I've been with the company for 14 years, but been in the industry for over 30 years. So I'm really excited to be part of this. I see a huge opportunity to promote our industry and promote what we do and how fun it is.
Excellent, awesome.
My name's Leah Reid. I'm the Senior Product Development Technologist at Earlee Products. And I've been a food technologist for 30 years and I've been at Earlee Products for 2 years. So I've worked at a number of different organisations and it's a great industry to be in. It's no 2 days are the same. There's always something different.